Good morning, students. Welcome back to our SS session. Today, we will continue the chapter 2 Ancient Civilization of the World. In the previous session, we discussed on what do you mean by civilization and the main features of civilization. So, today, we will discuss on major ancient civilizations. So, there are three major ancient civilizations. Number 1, Indus Valley civilization. Number 2, Mesopotamian civilization. And number 3, Egyptian civilization. Let us discuss about Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization furnished approximately between 2500 BC to 1500 BC. It extends from Balochistan in the west to Uttar Pradesh in the east and from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Gujarat in the south. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the largest sites of this civilization. Town planning. The Indus Valley civilization is known for town planning. Cities of this civilization were divided into the citadel and the lower town. The citadels consisted of public buildings, religious structures or granaries, buildings such as Great Bath, the Great Granary and the Assembly Hall. So let us see the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath was a large rectangular construction. It had a central bathing pool, galleries and dressing rooms. Fresh water was filled from a well nearby and used water was drained out through an outlet. Next is the Great Granary. The Great Granary was a large storage structure at Harappa. Surplus food grains were stored here. Next is Assembly Hall at Mohenjo-daro was a hall with thick walls. It was supported by pillars. This hall might have been used for prayers and public meetings. Next is Lower Town. The Lower Town had houses and workplaces. The houses were made of bricks and had many rooms surrounding a courtyard. Some houses had bathrooms. The floors of the bathrooms sloped and dirty water flowed into drain outside the houses. These drains were covered and lined with bricks. The streets of the cities of the Indus Valley civilization were clean. Many wells for public use had been discovered. The drainage system was very advanced. Next is language, script and seals. Numerous seals have been found belonging to the Indus Valley civilization. Seals are a small, flat stone, clay or metal tablets with a symbol and some writing. However, the language and the writing of a Harappan had not been read out by historians even today. Thus, the writing of these seals remaining a mystery, means it's difficult to understand. So students, I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you.